We are just now in the first part of January, starting our 4th year of putting videos on YouTube. First video went up January 2nd, 2016. Man, it's been a ride. And it continues to be an absolute thrill, making this content and sharing it and interacting with all of you people. Feels like we've got a tiger by the tail, frankly. In case you haven't figured it out yet, I make these things with my son Nate, my oldest son. This was all his idea. We've made probably over 250 videos, and we're proud of every single one of them. The first 10 or 20 were filmed with an iPhone, and then we upgraded a little bit, and then Nate got some help from Brian and figured out what the camera ought to be. If you go back to our older videos, you'll see that for the most part, we haven't really changed much. We try and make videos about things that interest us, and things where we feel we can contribute something. In many cases, what this means is that we sort of shine a light on the trades, on tools, and the history of craftsmanship, and we try to give credit where credit is due. Because, man, there's been a lot of work done on this old planet, and we just never think about how all of our comfort and all of our opportunity and all of our security is absolutely dependent on the hard work and the craftsmanship and the skill of the people that have built the world around us. Let's see if you can hear the difference in the sound when it comes up and begins to butt right up against that wooden shoulder. Hear that? Getting tight now. Right there. Stop moving. It's right up against the shoulder. Pretty easy fit. In other words, our videos aren't so much about us or about me, but about the goal to remind you, the viewers, of the people in your family, in your life, in your past, who were good examples of hard, honest work and an appreciation of skill. If we had to spell out a goal for the channel now, 2019, it would be to encourage our viewers, no matter what your age or your skill level or your life situation, to get up, get off the couch, get out of bed, get away from the TV, get away from the computer, set down your phone and go outside. Go to the garage, go to the shop, go to the garden, I don't care. Go somewhere and learn something, do something, start something new, or finish something you started earlier. Pick up where you left off with a craft or a hobby. There's a thing about working with your hands and making things that has all sorts of physical and psychological benefits. You can't learn something new and remain the same person. You challenge your brain and your hands. You solve problems. You solve new problems. Maybe you solve in a better way an old problem that had defeated you. And after you've added these skills, you're more useful. You can be good for your family and good for your friends. You can make new friends, for crying out loud. You can get exercise. The list goes on and on of the benefits of learning a skill. The benefits of learning a craft. So if you haven't done it already, go back and watch some of our old videos. We are proud of them. And when I say that, I hope that I mean the type of pride that is less about vanity and arrogance and competition, and more the type of pride that is about gratitude and satisfaction. Because that's what I feel when I watch these things. And here's what I hope. I hope that if you watch some of those, you'll see that we're practicing what we preach here. We're learning a new trade too. Only this time, learning a new trade means learning how in the world to make a video. Better yet, a video that other people might enjoy watching, and best of all, a video that maybe somebody can actually learn something useful from. Thanks for watching. I don't really like it. It splits over to the edge. It opens up, but it'll work. It'll hold. It's a pretty good heft.